Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. Welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. I hope you're riding your motorcycle because in this video, I'm riding my motorcycle on the weekend, so enjoy the ride. If you're new here, I'm HHG and I love riding my motorcycle and I love bike life. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to win a free HondaHarleyGurl sticker, stay tuned throughout this video to find out how to win. Let's ride, y'all. Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. I am cold. We out here in Cutler Bay, riding our bikes. Went to go check out a new place for Hotshot. I think she love it. She gonna be moving, so I got somewhere to ride a little further. There we go. Always have the sun, face the light. Yeah, we outside. Look at my baby right there. Shout out to Chris. I love Chris. I love his bike too. Hotshot on her bike. We having a good time. We about to got the first thing on the to-do list accomplished. Now we about to go. I want something to eat. I want a whole snapper fish ready to eat, child. I'm gonna eat it up. I can't wait to share. Probably grab some lunch, do some riding around. Bye, thank you. Good, yes ma'am. Made it out of Ross. I did buy some things, but they were necessities. So, you know, call it what you want to call it, right? Necessities. Only 2 bags. I love Ross. Uh-oh, hold up. Might be using these saddlebags because I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. This is the hard part. Well, I'm trying to take off real quick, run for my life. This will slow me up. So just had lunch at Olive Garden. We had Olive Garden instead of seafood. It was good. Got some leftovers for dinner. Good day so far. Heavy breathers. HHG. Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. Still outside with my girl Hotshot. We have made it to what? Peterson's Harley-Davidson South. We down south, y'all. Hey, but no, that's him. That's my friend, Sabu. Yeah, that's I got him. Oh, that's my girl. I got one of your rings on right now. I ain't gonna look. She got some good jewelry. Jewelry lady. That's why we want to walk over here. To no jewelry lady anywhere. There's a lady at Gilbert's all the time. You here.
Everything I related to the black and white.
Wow. Let me see your necklace. Right. Somebody gonna rob you with all this jewelry.
No, I don't wear all this stuff at one time.
I know.
But it's got the Roman numerals and then they turn on there.
So, you like it? Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. I'm back. It's nighttime now. Outside on the bike. About to head out to Down and Dirty Annual. Waiting on Hotshot. It's gonna be a good night. Let's go.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? Have a good night. Alright, we're about to have a good time. Right now, I'm about to mix up my concoction. I feel like I got on so many layers. More than usual. Hold on. Alright, boom. Bow, bow, bow. Okay, so in the meantime, as I wait on Hotshot to prepare, Hotshot always talking about, I'm late. When I pull up, Hotshot is never ready. She be ready, then she peek something and she gotta go change. So, I'm being patient. I ain't gonna say nothing. Cause, you know, I like to show up late anyways, but we gonna show up early tonight so we can leave early. I ain't really into going to the annuals, but we paid for this wristband. And if I ain't got my tequila, we gonna have some problems. Hold up. I know this tequila's in here, so I can really just calm down and really just look for it. You got it. Don't drink and ride, okay? Don't do what I do, do what I say. Streets always crying. Everfresh. I wanted the pineapple orange juice, but they only had it in a real big bottle, and I needed this size. So I'm gonna drink some juice and pour some tequila in here. And we go right out to the annual, have a good time. I'll show y'all the annual, okay? See you soon. And there we have it. I'm laughing at some. It'll be too much to explain. But Chris calls me mini bar because I keep a drink on me. You got to, baby. Going out every weekend is expensive. I be trying to cut the cost where I can. Usually I don't go out, but I'm gonna go out. I'm outside right now, and I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. But I am probably gonna take a break soon. I've been out 3 weekends in a row. I'm usually like alone and bored in the house. Anyways. Hotshot saw my meet up at 7. I got here at 7:35. What time it be now? It's 7:49 right now. Annual starts at 8. She wants.
I scared you?
Oh, yeah. She wants to get a good seat. And I guess we're ready. Here I go again. I'm tired of saying, hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl, but hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl, period. Outside. All right, we're gonna go back inside. Had to come get the camera.
Hey, girl.
Hey, Littlefoot.
What's up,
Good
girl?
to see you again.
Hey, congratulations. I didn't know you had got that.
Got what?
Your bike.
Oh,
I didn't
it's
see
something
it.
like mine.
Oh, something.
Yeah, I have the privilege of riding it whenever I want to.
Oh, okay, I saw you last night. You took them. I said, oh, shit.
Yep. I like it, though. I like it. The touring bike.
Yeah. We start Wednesday, Thursday,
Right, y'all do.
and Saturday.
Y'all OD, but I love it though. I love y'all annual.
What's up, lady? What's going
Hello,
on?
how are you, Josh?
Okay, how you doing? Good to see you.
Yeah.
Well, you everywhere, girl. Every time I see you, everywhere. Hey, you catch even quick on YouTube.
Right.
When I be bored, I be like,
Yeah, exactly. I always look at all she called me all that playing doggone. We playing down home. I'm like, when she was filming me, I'm like, we was in Tampa.
Oh, wow.
You know what? I'm surprised the camera ain't even broke.
I want to give away a sticker. So to the first person to comment the dance these ladies are performing, I will send you a free Honda Harley Girl sticker in the mail. So be the first to comment. What dance are these ladies performing?